Hello everyone, this is Kitchen Garden Therapy's giveaway announcement, and today is Sunday 18 and let's get to it. So, who's going to win Perennial Vegetables book? I put all of the names in here, so let's mix it up, and let's pick one and see who it is. And it's Yogi Hollow Farm. Congratulations! You just got Perennial Vegetables book. Now let's see who's going to get Winter Harvest Handbook. It's hard to open with one hand, but let's see. Je m'appelle Jess. Congratulations, Jessica, you just got Winter Harvest Handbook. Okay, and a third one. It's hard to open. Wicked Awesome Gardening. Congratulations. You got Gaia's Garden book. Congrats everyone. If you follow me on Instagram, you can message me your address over there, or on my page, YouTube page, that's called About, where my information is. There is my email over there, so you can either email me or message me on Facebook or Instagram. Congratulations everybody. Bye.